Hey everyone, I'm Mercedes with Bloomin. Do you worry about killing your plants? Do you avoid trying to improve your yard because you assume you'll fail? Well, you're not alone, and we're here to help. What's great about the plants we choose for our collection is they are new and improved, and anyone can grow them successfully. To make things even easier, we offer free support like seasonal care reminders, how-to videos, and responses to your questions on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. We understand that plant care is scary. Trying to tackle landscaping yourself probably seems like too much work and stress, but I promise you can do it. And it's easier than you think. In our gardening series this spring, we'll give you simple tips and tricks to help you be successful. You'll be surprised just how easy it really is. Join us as we demystify landscaping and give you the tools you need to create the yard you've been dreaming of.